That's perfect. I think she's dying.
And this is spit it out. You can't though. You can't move your lips.
This is video here. We're 30 seconds into it. She still hasn't even gotten the whole wad of bread into her mouth.
It's a series of photos. She's all.
When she's doing this.
He looks like me.
Yeah, don't choke. It's like one of those hot dog eating competitions.
You can't close your mouth over the straw.